Hi friends, today we are preparing most popular breakfast dish of the world, pancakes. It's not just popular but one of the oldest breakfast too. Scientists found traces of pancakes from Stone Age. But the ingredients were some different. Anyway, just keep in mind it while enjoying pancakes. First of all, we will sieve together 1 cup all-purpose flour, with 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt and 2½ tablespoon of powdered sugar. It will help it to mix everything well. And, if you are watching our videos for the first time, please consider subscribing our channel. This YouTube channel is a part of a blog which is trying to collect and preserve local traditional recipes for next generation. So each like or share you are giving will make us more confident to do more videos like this. Next we will add milk, egg, few drops of vanilla essence, which is optional, and butter. It's good to add butter at room temperature. Mix well and create a smooth batter. Heat a tower, add some oil. If you are using non-stick tower, just pour a ladle batter. No need to spread like normal pancake. Cook both sides. Serve warm with maple syrup or honey with fruits. If you like our video, please like and share it. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you.